Whenever I want to express how much I value you, catching the embodiment of your worth in smile. What is hard, however, my heart won't allow me to rest until I express its longing the most idle way I can see it is then that you are a precious stone found in the most unforeseen spot me to me. Do you have at least some idea how is managed such a fortune? It is loved and regarded over some other think of an enrichment. I value you, my priceless jewel. In that way, you are not only a section in my life, you are the whole story that makes my heart beat. Love is the specialty of painting our lives with the shades of your reality, making a magnum ops together. On a cold day, our love is like a warm blanket that wraps us in warmth and comfort, just like unique mugs that are filled with the sweetness of shared experiences. Each second with you feels like a lovely dream, and I never need to awaken in the orchestra of my heart. Your name is the best town playing a crickle. I am sorry if I don't always show you how much I love you, but your love is the compass that keeps me going on the journey of love. Kindly never imagine that I be practically changed or that my affections for you have changed. I simply have a ton of things in my mind recently. And trust me, this is totally supportive of our future. I love you and nothing will at any point remove that from me. I will love you for as long as you want me. And I hope you will want me for the rest of your life. As we spend more time together, our love gets stronger. I am in love with you and can't wait to see you again. It won't ever be imaginable leaving you for anything sense. You are worth more than precious stone and each the every wallet in this world. I will cherish you for eternity. I will continuously petition God for that second that I will be the last individual. You will kiss goodnight, embrace it when it's cold and wake up to decent morning embrace. I need to exit for you love. Since life has an alternate significance with you in my life, I can hardly stand by to have you as my better half. Formally, every little think about you from your brain to your heart emanates daylight. You are my daylight on a shady day, consistently knowing that I have found the one who completes me. My heart dances with joy whenever I see your smile. At the point when I originally saw you, I was driven in by your lovely eyes and your enchanting grin. However, it was the magnificence of your heart that I succumbed to before I meet you. I didn't think love was for me now that I am with you. Love is a great deal more substantial with you. Consistently is an undertaking and anticipate the exertion of affection we live on together.